Hey, you BlackBerry users, Todd here from NiceBlackberry.com. Today I'm demoing a new release that we've just pushed out. It's called Know It All. I'm demoing this on our BlackBerry Storm. It's a 9530 running OS 5. This is available for all BlackBerries running OS 4.6, 4.7, 5.0, and OS 6. So we have other demo videos on a Torch, on a 9700, and on a 9000, and then obviously we're doing this on the Storm. So let's show you what you've got. Basically you're looking at just a screen now with a banner. That's because everything's in hidden view, so let's show you how we access stuff. I'm hovered on top of the profiles icon, and if I go ahead and push to activate that, it's going to bring up bring up your profiles where you can go ahead and set any of those. Escape, and it will end that out. If you go up and in this banner, go ahead and touch up top there by the date and push it. It's going to open up an icon screen. On the Storm you have 25 icons, and then basically you can go down, hover over top of any of them. You get the name of the app along the bottom. You also get a nice little highlight tool behind it, so you'll know what icon you're on, and then you can go ahead and push that, hover over top of it, push it, and it'll open up that individual app. So that's how that works. The escape key exits out the screen and gives you back just your wallpaper. The all screens will stay up there until you hit the escape key, so there's no time limit. It'll just stay up there. Hit escape and it'll hide it. So that's the first screen that you get. Hover over top of the date area and you get the icon screen. Then go ahead and hover over top of the time, and what you get there is your clock, so you can go ahead and access your clock from there. Below that, where your envelopes are of new indications, hover over top of that, go ahead and push it, and it's going to open up a Today screen. On the Today screen you get three new emails, three new emails, 3 text messages, 2 missed calls, and 2 calendar previews. So that's what you've got there. We put a nice opaque background behind each one, so even the lightest of wallpapers will go ahead and show. You'll still be able to view and read what you want, and then obviously you can go down and hover over top of any of these individual entries as well, and you get the nice maroon background to show what you're hovered on. If you're hovered on like a missed call, you can go ahead and push it. It'll open up a small little pop-up menu where you can call that person back, or if you have them in your address book, you can send them a text message. You can send them an email, whatever you have set up in your address book. So that's how that works. And then obviously you can access also any of your apps from here. Hover over top of the calendar and push it. It'll bring you into your full calendar. So that's what you get there. And then obviously you can escape, and that'll end that out. Over here you have the little magnifying glass. Go ahead and touch it. You'll see on the bottom it says search. Push it, and it's going to open up your search, so you can type in here for your search. You can search your device for anything that you'd like, and then also you have the manage connections up there too that you can get to. So if you go hover over top of your signal strength, you can also get to the manage connections. There you go. So that's how that works. It's wallpaper friendly. You also get landscape view. So if you go flip it into landscape view, you've got your profiles icon that you can hover over top of to access your profiles. Also go ahead and hover over top of the date area up there. That brings up your icon screen. You get 18 icons in the landscape view. Escape exits that. Clock, same thing. You get your clock. Hover over top of the message notification area there, push it, and it's going to access your full email app. And then obviously also you get the search icon too. So that's what you get in a landscape view. Let's go back and show you with a wallpaper activated. I'll go into media. Let me go into pictures. I'll find a sample pictures. We'll find a wallpaper to show you what it looks like. Wallpaper. And there we go. Alright, let's see. We'll grab we can grab that wallpaper right there, and we'll set that as wallpaper. Go ahead and end that out. End that out. Let's escape. So there's your wallpaper set in portrait view, and then when you hover over top of like the top banner, you still see everything great. Push it. There's your icon screen. You can still see everything because of the background that we put on there. So there's your icon screen. Escape out of that. You can open up your today screen. So there's what your today screen looks like. And then also, if you have your today screen up, you don't have to escape to go to the icon screen. Basically, you can just push it. It'll automatically close the today screen for you and open your icon screen. And hence, also with the today screen, push that. It'll open up your today screen. It'll automatically close your icon screen. So that's how that works. You don't need to escape every single time. The only time you would need to escape is if you really want, nothing to show on there. So that's basically it. Know It All. It's for all BlackBerry devices running OS 4.6, 4.7, 5.0, and OS 6. You can get it at niceblackberry.com, and you can also see all the other products that we have for BlackBerry devices. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys again soon.